What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel, y'all. Hey, your boy's on a roll, knocking these reviews out, trying to catch up anyway. So, I just finished doing the review for the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders. Make sure y'all check that out. I definitely am in love with that sneaker. Such basics, such just simplicity at its finest. It's great. Love that sneaker. So, thanks for tuning into the channel today, y'all. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that way you're alerted every time that I upload a video, whenever I can anyway. Like, it's gonna definitely be a little busy for me here in the next coming up month. So views, channels, it's gonna probably go a little stale for a little bit. So I'm gonna try to get all these videos out as much as I can, do some more time lapses, Legos, and all that, because I will definitely not be able to do them like I do now. So, all right. Well, today's video is a review on a sneaker that I already have in the collection. It's an alternate colorway, and that's not your normal foam or Jordan that I normally review on this, because of course, that's my favorites right there. So it's a recent cop for me. The other colorway of the sneakers, also a recent cop to me, because they were just nostalgia buys, because definitely had them when I was a kid. I said I gotta have these again because they're so dope. But let's get to what that sneaker is, and it's in this box in front of me. Boom! Of course, it's a regular Nike sneaker. It's not a Jordan or foam or nothing like that. And in front of us, read this tag. We have the Air DT Max 96. It's white, black, Vegas gold. And, ladies and gents, in front of us, we have the Air Max DT 96 Deion Sanders, the reverse colorway, right here. And people call these the Colorado Aways. Don't know why. I know there's a colorway right now that's floating out there. I don't know if it's a PE or not, but they have the black top with gold fingers, and then they got the white top with gold fingers. Those I would consider the Colorado, because that's the Colorado colorway, right? But these right here, these is just the OG reverse of the black white finger colorway. So, first impressions. Definitely match the quality of the other sneaker. Very soft leather. This is that leather that, woo, if you sit there and you leave something sitting on it for too long, it's going to wrinkle up. So I got to get the shoehorn in here, just to make sure that it doesn't wrinkle up. No glue stains. No deformations in the sole. The bubbles still intact. Good to go. Man, excuse me. I don't call it people call it the cushion sometimes. It's not the bubble, but anyway, let me not get into too much detail, because we're going to look at these up close and personal, so you guys can make your own decision on if you like them or not. But first impression is definitely, I'm happy with this buy. This buy is definitely a good one, y'all. So let me stop flapping these gums right here. Let's get this in front of the camera, and let's start this up close and personal view, y'all. All right. Nothing more to it than to do it. Let's get it. All right, y'all. In front of us, we have the Nike Air DT Max 96, y'all. The Deion Sanders, the reverse colorway, y'all. The black bottom, white top. Not like the OG white on the bottom and black on top. So let's get these out of the box. Generic Nike box right here, y'all. So let's get rid of that real quick. Let's get to the sneaker, y'all. So again, definitely a nostalgia buy for me. The OGs were a must, so I copped these along with the other ones. I heard these sold out online pretty fast, but they're also still kind of available in some sneaker stores in person. The leather on it, like I said before, it's pretty soft. You see that? It's like one of that leather that if you leave something sitting on it for a while, it might mess it up and deform it or whatnot. So I got to get some shoe trees in here real quick. So got the strap in the front. one of the few, like I said in my other video, these are like one of the first sneakers that started rocking the strap. And I think it's kind of started like a strap revolution, because they have a lot of sneakers after that had the whole strap thing going. Got the Deion on the heel right there, the gold hints, the black sole, gold Nike swooshes on the side panels and the back and the heels. So, and on the left and right side panels. But yeah, overall, this is definitely a good quality sneaker for the price you pay for them. I don't see definitely no overglue stains, no deformities in the sole. Kind of happy about that, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about these. Are these a cop for y'all? Y'all passing on these? Because I tell you what, I was happy I was able to get them. Luckily, right? Because like I said, they sold out online, and I was in a place to be able to go into a store and check if they had them in stock or not. So definitely happy that I copped. So make sure y'all leave a comment on the on the sneaker to see if if we agree or if we don't agree on it. If you like the quality, don't like the quality, and if you're still looking to cop these, y'all. All right. Well, there's nothing more left to say, so let's get back in front of this camera, hit our last comments and thoughts on the sneaker, and we'll take it from there. All right, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all. That was the review for the Nike Air Max DT96, y'all. And I'm still not used to saying all that. I'm used to just saying Jordan or foams or but not used to saying all that mess. So, all right, that was the Nike Air Max DT96, y'all. The Deion Sanders, the alternate reverse colorway to the OG that released not too long ago. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section. Let me know if you passed, if you copped, and what's your thoughts on these, y'all. So I'm glad I added it in my collection. It's definitely a great addition to the other ones. And if those gold and black ones and the gold and white ones, if I could get my hands on those, I definitely will do that too. So all right, well, if you stayed through the video this long, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell, y'all, because your boy enjoys the support. Keep pumping these videos out for y'all, so let's continue to do it. So there's nothing more left to say other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. We got the Nike Air Max DT96 Deion Sanders, y'all. Beautiful sneaker. Go ahead and grab y'all a pair, y'all, if you still can find them. All right, keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.